Okay, second application we will learn, that is electrorefining. Electrorefining. Electrorefining is a method used to refine pure metal from the impure ore. So, electrorefining in a कौन हुए? Electrorefining रे we take impure ore, from this impure ore pure metal extracted, or we may call this pure metal obtained by the pure metal obtained from impure ore from pure metal obtained from impure ore by electrorefining process. Okay, so electrorefining process used to extract or used to get pure metal from the impure ore. Okay, so electrorefining here definition I write here. Electrorefining is a method used to refine pure metal from the impure ore. So impure ore आमे कौन पाइबा? Pure metal पाइबा. काटू पाइबा के प्रोसेस में पाइबा? electrorefining process में. Suppose I take a electrolytic vessel. This is the electrolytic vessel. In this electrolytic vessel, I have taken electrolyte, that is copper sulfate. Copper sulfate solution plus H2S of acidulated copper sulfate solutions, and here this is, you know that we call anode, and this is your what? Cathode. Anode here anode is your impure ore, and this cathode is a copper plate. Here, what happens? We have taken anode is anode is impure ore टाको आम एनोड नहीं कपर टाको आम कौन नहीं कपर प्लेट कौन नहीं ना कैथोड नहीं ड्यूरिंग द प्रोसेस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस at anode what will happen at anode what happens copper dissociate into copper plus 2 electrons so at anode the copper dissolved so anode कौन हम oxidation process हम so anode रे copper change to copper plus 2 electrons okay so at cathode what will happen at cathode what will happen so copper plus 2 what it dissolve getting 2 electron and change to copper this copper deposited at this copper deposited at the cathode so electrorefining में जो ore नहीं थी वो से ore impure metal this is the impure metal this is your impure metal from this impure metal taken as anode during the process of electrolysis oxidation will occur here and copper releases from the anode and change to copper plus 2 electrons this is the anode reactions at cathode what happens copper plus 2 getting 2 electron and reduced to copper such copper deposited at cathode so एठी कौन होबो ला एनोड रो साइज कौन होतिबो कमी जाउथु आ साइज ता बड़ हो जाउथु लार्ज हो जाउथु काहे की आ साइज काहे की लार्ज होबो एफाई लार्ज होबो काहे कॉपर डिपोजिटेड होउची कॉपर जो फॉर्मेशन हला ये डिपोजिटेड हो गेला कोठी ना कैथोड रे ओके सो impure particles for the impure particles or impurities present inside this anode or in these impure metals that is stored at the bottom of the tank below the anode this is called your anode mode so what is anode mode during electrolysis the impurities stored at the bottom of the tank below the anode called anode mode okay so bale question parikha ase what is anode mode so anode mode is what now during the electrolysis what happen impurities stored at the bottom of the tank below the anode called anode mode so this is the impurities what is present that is stored at the bottom level of the electrolytic tank this is called the anode mode this is the overall process of what the electrorefining এই process द्वारा metal कौन करा impure ore रो कौन करा जाए ना तुम्हारा extra purify करा जाए okay Now we study about Faraday's law of electrolysis. Faraday's law of electrolysis first law आबे देखिबा. This is the first law, that is Faraday's first law आबे देखिबा. This law states that amount of substance deposited or dissolved at different electrodes at electrode during the process of electrolysis is directly proportional to their equivalent, directly proportional to the quantity of electricity passed through the electrolyte. So first law says that this law states that amount of substance deposited or dissolved at a different electrode during the process of electrolysis is directly proportional to the quantity of electricity passed through the electrolyte. That means mathematically W proportional to Q. Here W equal to amount of substance deposited or dissolved at different electrode, and Q is the quantity of electricity that is charge passed through the electrolyte. Okay, so first law says that what the amount of substance deposited or dissolved in different electrode. तार माने इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस प्रोसेस से जतिक अमाउंट ऑफ सब्सटेंस डिपोजिट होची बा डिसॉल्व होची इलेक्ट्रोड मानक करे सेटा का संगे प्रोपोर्शनल होची ना क्वांटिटी ऑफ चार्ज पास थ्रू द इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक वेसल्स. तो इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक वेसल ले जतिक अमाउंट ऑफ चार्ज प्रवाहित आमे करिबा आमे दबा सेतिक अमाउंट रा सब्सटेंस डिसॉल्व हेबा कोन हेबे and deposited have. So here W proportional to Q, W is what? Here W is the amount of substance deposited or dissolved at different electrode. This is the W. W means weight or mass of the substance that is deposited or dissolved at different electrode, and Q is quantity of electricity or it is called charge passed through the electrolyte. आम जानी इलेक्ट्रिक करंट बा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास करा जाए कोटी इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस प्रोसेस से का थ्रू रे ना तमरा बैटरी थ्रू रे कौन करा जाए पास करा जाए का भीतर दे गति करबो इलेक्ट्रोलाइट भीतर दे गति करबो कैथोड बाटे जीव सॉरी एनोड बाटे जीव इलेक्ट्रोलाइट रे पहुंचबो पुणी कैथोड दे के बाहर के पळेबो आमे चेक करके आसिलो एटा यस और ना यस केते मिनट दिला पॉज कर